In today's video, I want to talk about 4 reasons why I am bullish on ICP. Reason number 1 is because I think that ICP has spectacular fundamentals. When we take a look at ICP, what is it, right? ICP is the native token of the Internet Computer Network. And when it comes to the Internet Computer, I believe that it's very special. The goal of the Internet Computer is to create a decentralized version of the Internet that is spread throughout thousands of computers around the world. And when it comes to the Internet right now, it could be argued as being highly centralized, and it's also typically controlled by big tech giants. However, through the decentralization of the Internet, these issues and drawbacks are quite essentially gone. Through the decentralization of the Internet, it's going to potentially allow for more freedom and as well as increasing data security. So with that being said, I think it's fair to assume that the Internet Computer serves such an amazing purpose. And I think that it has a very strong use case. However, it doesn't end there because in my opinion, I think it should be noted how the Internet Computer so far has already been able to process over 2 billion blocks, which I think is insane. Furthermore, the Internet Computer on average has a cost per instruction that is roughly over 44 million times less expensive than Ethereum, which I think is very mind-blowing. In addition, the Internet Computer is currently processing 500 million messages, aka transactions, on a daily basis. The Internet Computer as of right now statistically is doing so well. I think overall its fundamentals are A+. And the second reason why I am bullish on ICP is because I think that ICP has such a tremendous risk-to-reward ratio for me. At least that's the way I view it. And of course, that's not financial advice, but the way I view it is that ICP is providing me with such a fantastic buying opportunity. I think that with ICP, I am not risking to lose that much in order to potentially gain a lot in the future. And here's my rationale. When we take a look at ICP right now, in just the past 2 years alone, it has gone down over 90% in price. However, do I think that ICP right now can go down over 90% in price? I just don't think it's possible. Yeah, sure, in the past 2 years, ICP has gone down again, right, over 90% in price. But from right now, I don't think it can go down that much anymore. I think that the ceiling of ICP is very far away, but I think the floor is very close. I think if anything, ICP is much closer to a bottom than it is a top. So when I see something this fundamentally amazing, yet this low in price, how can I not be bullish on it? And the third reason why I am bullish on ICP is because the Internet Computer is focused on the enterprise market. And I think this right here is actually such a genius move because I do think that the enterprise market has a lot of potential. And let me show you what I'm talking about. For instance, if we take a look at this, we will see that by 2030, the blockchain technology market is anticipated to be worth over $1.4 trillion, which I think is very insane. However, what I think is even more insane is the fact that the majority of this growth right here is going to be largely driven through enterprise adoption. And I think that if anything truly visualizes just how much growth the enterprise market could provide. I think clearly there is a lot of potential in the enterprise market. And I think that ICP is doing such a smart move by being focused on enterprises. I think they understand that that is where most of the potential is at. And the fourth reason why I am bullish on ICP is because I think that the Internet Computer has such a fantastic ecosystem. As a matter of fact, currently on its ecosystem, we will find over 155 projects already across NFTs, DeFi, gaming, and much more. And more specifically, I think that having projects that are related to DeFi, blockchain gaming, and NFTs could potentially do wonders for the Internet Computer moving forward. And here's my rationale. First of all, when we take a look at the NFT market, yeah, it's down right now. However, in the future, things could look very different. As a matter of fact, according to Grandview Research, by 2030, the NFT market is anticipated to be worth over $211 billion. So the NFT market, in my opinion, has a lot of potential. Furthermore, when we take a look at the DeFi market, also according to Grandview Research, over the next 7 years, the DeFi market is anticipated to be worth over $230 billion in size. And last but not least, when we take a look at blockchain gaming, the blockchain gaming market by 2030 is anticipated to be worth over $300 billion. So when I take all of that into consideration, I do believe that having projects on the Internet Computer ecosystem that are related to DeFi, blockchain gaming, and NFTs could potentially do wonders for them moving forward. Clearly those markets have such unbelievable potential. And I think that as the NFT, blockchain gaming, and DeFi market continues to grow moving forward, I think so will projects, much like the internet computer, that have amazing DeFi, blockchain gaming, and NFT projects on its ecosystem. So overall, I think that the internet computer is truly something else. I think that it is one of the best projects out there. The ecosystem, in my opinion, is A+. I think the use case is fantastic. I think statistically, it's doing extremely well. And I think they are focused on the right thing moving forward. I think that the internet computer is so revolutionary. And I am extremely bullish on ICP. And if you want to know my price prediction for ICP during the next bull run, make sure to go ahead and click on this thumbnail right here. It's a very fantastic video. In that video, I break down the reasons why I believe ICP could very well reach certain price targets during the next bull run. It's a wonderful video, and I suggest you check it out.